What's up, y'all? What's up, man? Here back again. Here's no messy. Been a little lazy today, but I want to get this over with before I start playing video games or going on with the day. So basically, Crunchyroll. It's already been a year for me having their subscription again. So I got their swag gear, their swag package, what they say, Crunchyroll swag. So once again, One Piece. So what do you expect, right? That One Piece on the market for me to pick, I'm gonna take it. So you'll see what kind of One Piece they give me this year. So first off, they say thank you, and this is the ultimate fan deserves ultimate swag. Here's an extra $20 off your next order of 100 plus. Has a code. Enjoy this bonus saving on top of your 15% off select products. Members only offer. Cool. So maybe I can get that Buddy Daddy's thing now. Okay, so I said One Piece, but they sent me the Jaw Titan. What? That makes no sense. It's a Crunchyroll exclusive, so maybe that's why. Maybe that's the little special. I have to look up and see if that's why, but it did give me a nice little like money bag, I think, for the Going Sunny. Or the 1000 Sunny, sorry. See a little money bag, it looks like. Coin. See, no coin for the 1000 Sunny. And then my boy Sanji key figure. Interesting. So they have a little hole in there, you could touch them, and they got little little paper in there. But it looks pretty interesting. Never heard of these. It's a vinyl head movable plush. So it's kind of like, I guess, a bobblehead plushie. Yeah, so it's like a pop plush. That's interesting. So that's what they gave me this year. Don't know if the Jaw Titan is coming down. If he isn't, that's fine by me. I could get his thing. Oh, never mind. There's something else. We got some party cards, actually. Playing cards. Only I'm missing out was my Uno cards, man. I was still can't get them. Let's see if anything else. Well, that's pretty much it, y'all. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. And I guess in that part of the video, I'll find out why I'll put in a little text saying it was the random thing they gave me because of specialty or something. I don't know. We'll see. But overall, can't complain. Got a new pop. Got a nice little Sanji bobblehead. Not bobblehead, but plushy head. And then I got little playing cards. The playing cards would be nice. I might put those in my actual backpack. And then the purse. The coin purse, maybe not need it. Maybe I find some other use for it. Maybe put some like USB drives or something in there. But anyways, y'all, take care. Peace.